Hey y'all, I'm back with day 13 of our challenge where we are decluttering and cleaning out the clutter from our homes as we are getting ready for spring. You know, the one where I've placed the numbers 1 through 31 in this bag, and each day I pull a number out of the bag, and whatever number I pull is the number of items that I get rid of for the day. Before I pull a number, I want to say y'all are really keeping me energized with this challenge. I got a picture that I'll share on my social media from someone who's doing the challenge with me, Dr. Stacy May, and she actually sent me a picture of two bags she had. One had 14 items in it and one had 28 items in it. So I am super proud as I, hear from you all as you're inboxing me or liking the post. Just knowing that you're on the challenge with me is amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you who have reached out to tell me how the challenge is going for you. Now, one of the things that I hear is, Alicia, I'm getting low on items to get rid of in my home. That's great. I, struggle with if I'm going to have enough to make it all the way to the end for the complete 496 items. But listen, there's other things you can do. So my tip for today is, if you're running out of items, do a digital detox. We all have pictures in our phones that we need to get rid of, or our duplicates, or emails that we have, or apps we don't use, or games on our phone that we've been trying to get rid of. You can always do a digital detox, and that will support you in making sure that you're still clearing clutter. Okay, so let me get to the pull, give the bag a shake as I always do, and then I'm gonna pull a number. All right, let's see what we got. Today, I'm okay. I can do a low number, a high number. It don't matter to me. Where is the number? Okay, 25. So I'm gonna go and get 25 items. Hopefully this won't take me too long. I'm gonna go back to the bathroom. That seems to be my treasure trove lately of things to get rid of, and see what I come up with. Be right back. All right, so I'm back with my 25 items. That was a lot easier than I thought. I won't go through all of them, but here is a picture of many in the bag, along with this cleansing water. So here's my, okay, things are falling. Here's my 25 items. More stuff out of the bathroom that need to be clear. A lot of the bottles are just empty and needed to be thrown out, or just had a little corner in them that I was saving, and so I got some more. So it's all ready to go. I hope you all have a great day. And listen, if you're a Bible girly or guy, because girls and guys have been talking to me about being a part of the challenge, in Psalms 4:8, it talks about being able to have a restful, restful night of peace as you sleep. And I don't know about you, but as I am really cleansing and clearing things out of my house, it's giving me such a feeling of peace just to know that I know where everything is. I can get up and get to it when I need it. And I know exactly what I have, what I don't have, and what I don't need to buy any more of, which is Bath and Body Works shower gels and lotion. Not another one, or a candle, but we'll get to that on another day. All right, well, have a good evening, and I hope that is a restful night's sleep for you. Bye-bye.